Hey, what's up? Welcome back to The Well Mindset. So in this one, I'm going to be taking a look at a billionaire who owns a chain of gas stations, blue collar millionaire. So I think that's very interesting to see where some folks got their billions, right? Where did they come from? How did they get there? And maybe we can learn something, get some inspiration, get some ideas, and yeah, maybe learn something. So let's get into it.
2 Ferraris, 2 Bentleys, a brand new Rolls. Not exactly the cars you'd expect to see in the driveway, but the guy who used to pump your gas.
I love hearing these, because not everybody's coming from, their family gave them the money and they made the money. Even those cases, someone had to start it off, right? I love seeing folks where, really, I want to see how they came from nothing. Really to come from maybe just a regular job, a really regular situation, and then to turn it into some really amazing success stories.
I started this company from 1 gas station, 4 mechanics, 2 cashiers, 6 people, and I grew this company into now a $1 billion company just in 25 years.
And it still took 25 years. It takes time to make something amazing. And he started with 1 gas. Well, that 1 gas station though, I'd be interested to see how he started with that one, because a gas station is no joke. There's a big investment. So there must have been some before this, and then he did one, and then he grew it into a whole bunch.
I was born and grown up in a small village called Sunampur in Punjab, India. About 1,500 people population.
Wow.
Consists of all farmers, and I always had a desire to migrate to this greatest country of the world, in the United States of America.
So Harry scraped together $50, said goodbye to small town farming, and struck out for New York City.
Off the bat, to want to do better for yourself and just kind of like go for it. You got a whole family, you got a whole life. 50 bucks, to scrounge up $50. I don't know. Back then, that must have been crazy trying to even come up with that, and then to go for it. Sometimes that's what it takes. Even though you hear everybody, I don't want to deal with it. That's too complicated. I don't want to learn this stuff. I don't want to do. They don't even want to do the basics of investing, learning something new. But for someone to just come out and just migrate, change countries.
Start driving a taxi, which I heard from people they were making good money. When I used to take my car for repairs, most of the repair shop you go to, you waited in the line to get your car serviced. There's always cars waiting to get work done.
While his fellow cab drivers saw an annoyance, Harry saw an opportunity.
Dang, see, this guy's savvy. You gotta want it. You gotta have that passion to want and to recognize and then to go for it. Dude, he just noticed, there's always a lines to get their taxis repaired, fixed, and maintained. And why not be the mechanic, be the business that does all the maintenance for everybody? There's so many taxis.
So I decided to go to school to qualify as an auto mechanics. And once I'd done my certifications, I bought my first station in Brooklyn. This is the repair shop where I started working 25 years ago. Being a mechanic, fixing cars, getting dirty was no surprise to me. Whatever it takes.
Yo, that's savvy. To come up with your first shop, you got your certification, you're working as a taxi driver, to get your first station, man, this guy's no joke. He's pushing the limits even early age back in the day.
I brought home $76,000. That was my first year annual income. And we continued, saved whatever we could save from the business. I bought my second station, third station, fourth station. Within the first 5 years, I had about 8 sites, and I continue moving forward.
What? Dude, that first year, 76,000 sounds really good. Were gas stations really cheap back then or something? Within 5 years, he got 8? I know, okay, so I think that's one really important thing. Dude, you make that money, but he's saving it. You gotta be saving it. You're not buying another gas station unless you're saving like majority of your money. And he doesn't say anything about investing it, so he's just saving and just growing it. So that is amazing.
Gasoline was never a main way making money for the business. The auto repair was the place that had made the most amount of money. We had to continue find those revenues. I was definitely very stressed, kind of put me and shook me up, and I don't know where to go from there. I went looking for another opportunity. So we started building convenience store in 2002 because convenience.
Dude, there's another, see that's another move right there. That's a pro move. Dude, it's not working. Auto, the whole auto industry is changing. The cars getting more reliable. Things, business is not as good. And it's only dropping 15%. I mean, 50% is probably a lot of money, but you still get 85% of it. And he's already like, dude, this is not gonna work. We gotta come up with something else. Coming up with different solutions and different strategies, things that you can make more money, other streams of income. Now convenience stores.
Opening his own fuel distribution center.
World Oil Corporation was created in 2004, so we could have bought, purchased product at the best cost available in the market by becoming a wholesale distributor.
When you control every aspect of your business, low costs mean huge profits. Yeah, Harry's a...
Yo, yeah, he a businessman. This guy, holy moly, distribution now? Yeah, that'll get you there. That'll get you to $1 billion. You're covering all your bases, and you have the repair, you have the gas station, you have the little food mart, stuff going on. Damn.
Pro at making money, but he's even better at spending it.
Dude, okay, I love this already. You gotta know how to make the money, save the money. You could delay gratification, just to make it, right? To make something special, and then always learn and grow and adapt. But then you still gotta take care of yourself too. You gotta know how to spend it.
This is my home. Beautiful build, custom, 22,000 square feet. You can call it a house, you can call it a mansion. Grand Stairs, engineered and designed in the US and built in Spain, and brought in one piece, all hand molded. We spend close to $1 million in the total stairways, the hand carved fireplace that came from Italy.
Damn, okay, he really knows. I mean, he's a billionaire, so he can do it, but damn, he'd really know how to take care of himself, man. $1 million on the stairs.
This country is a land of opportunities. I left my country to better my life, and I've been very pleased. I can't tell you how humbly I'm appreciated having that opportunity in this country to be what I am today.
Dude, we got opportunity here. People, anybody making anything can take advantage of the opportunity. Really, you just got to put yourself out there. You got to learn and you got to go for it. And then just always keep learning and growing and adapting. And then you could take care of yourself and buy some Ferraris and park them downstairs in the basement. This is a good one just to show folks that, you know what, you can come from nothing, dude. You're not even from here. You come from somewhere else. You only got $50 on you, and then you could turn it around. Just really going for it and being smart, right? Always adapting, always learning. And then once you get to a certain point, you also need to know how to, how to save, right? You have to know how to save, how to invest. He's putting it all back into the business, and then you keep growing it. And then you got to take care of yourself too. So this guy's got it going. I think this is really inspirational. Like, dude, he came from nothing, and he's still learning and growing all the time. So that's all I got for this one. Let me know what you think. Okay, so what do you think about this one? Where guys are coming out, I think there's plenty of opportunity. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.